Bubblegum Vibe. I might go 12 for my first 12, shoot. Sharp. Sharp, 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 sharp. That ball is sharp. It's bright. How many strikes do you think we're throwing out of 20? 12? All right, 1 for 1. Two for 2. I need to write this down because I will forget. 2 for 2. Hook, hook, I rolled it. Hook, hook, I rolled it. 3 for 3. I might go 12 for my first 12, shoot. Bubblegum Vibe. Push. Push. Yeah, 4 for 4. 4. This ball looks good. This ball is gonna be my new house shot ball.
The house and Buddy's Pro Shop are partnering up an exclusive partnership deal where we are actually going to sell bowling balls on thehousebowling.com. And if you guys want them drilled, the boys at Buddy's Pro Shop can actually drill them for you. The first ball that we're offering is actually going to be this Bubblegum Vibe, which is super exciting because the Arctic Vibe was one of my favorites. So we're actually offering both bowling balls. All you got to do is go to thehousebowling.com, a link down below. And in weeks to come, we'll have a full product catalog. So no matter what the ball is, you guys will be able to buy it. And you guys can now buy balls right here on House Bowling.
This ball is for sure gonna fit right in that house shot bag out the gate. Will it fit into the sport shot bag? I gotta throw some more shots to decide that. But obviously, harder, straighter. I might have learned my lesson from the Paragon Black Shadow and from the Ethos video and do what I do on house shots, which is play a little harder and straighter and not trying to open up the lanes too much and hook it. 5 for 5. Push. Push. I'm also working on my drift right now, so I used to drift like 12 every shot. I'm trying to cut that in half and drift about 5 or 6. Just get it to a manageable number and make it the same every time, whether it's 6 or 5 or 10. If it's that every time, so that's why a lot of shots you see me look down at my foot. Just trying to drift the same, slide in the same spot every time. 6 for 6. Oh, that's so bad. That's on me, bad shot. 6 for 7, great start, better than many of my past ball videos. I don't have a comparison ball today, so for you guys out there looking for me to compare this to another ball, I would obviously compare it to the other 2 vibes that I have. So if you've had a vibe in the past, whether it's the Arctic vibe, this one's gonna be a little weaker, a little more down lane, or if you have maybe a stronger ball in your bag, this will be probably the bottom of most bags, the cleanest, the sharpest, the most down lane shape you're gonna get, at least in my arsenal. It's my first miss. Am I gonna move? No. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna move. It's a bad shot. That's a great shot. That's a great shot. I should move my feet. Move 1. 7 for 8. My record right now is 14. The goal score is 15. Ethos solid, current record holder. Eight for 9. Obviously, like I said, it fits into the weaker part of my bag, and the numbers also say that. That's not a great shot. That's not a great shot. Still made a sharp motion down lane. That's what we're looking for. I rolled it a little bit, not my best effort. Really good on the drifting amount. That was the appropriate 6 boards of drift. However, rolled the crap out of it and lost my balance a little bit. So the good news is with this ball, at least what I'm seeing so far, is that it makes a little bit more of a corner even though I rolled it. Sometimes when you roll a ball, it just stands up, goes forward, and I would 2-pin on a shot like that. But this Bubblegum Vibe, at least it looks like it's trying to make a corner no matter how I dead roll it or get around it, it's making a corner. If I get around it, it's definitely gonna be super sharp. Pretty good. Pretty good. 10 for 11. Madison, I think your guess might be a little wrong. Unless I go 2 for the back 9, I feel like that'd be horrible. Super bright, but the fact that it's a solid color helps me see it a little more. Helps me see the shape that it's making and recognize with my eyes whether it's a good or a bad shape on the lane, whether I need to change balls or stay with this one. 25. Madison, that was the grossest messenger. I can't believe you just missed it. We're gonna have to show that one back on replay. This ball's a striking machine right now. I tried to do it again. There was another one.
I'm actually wearing one of my favorite house shirts. If you guys want your own house shirt, you can go to housebowling.com. We have a 15% discount code right now on all of our merchandise. All you gotta use is code BOWL for 15% off all of your merch.
Yeah, what's your second try? 17 for 20? Okay. Push, 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 push. Ah! I'm gonna go a little slower and move one. I don't think this is quite the angle anymore. Hook, hook, so bad. Golly, slipped off my finger. Madison, your guess is coming in here. 13 for 16. I need to go 4 for 4. The record's 15, so I need 2 of my next 4. I'm still gonna say that slow move. I just need to not roll it. I need to get around it a little bit more. Drifted 7 on that one, not my best. Let's get back in line. That third step has been a real problem, but yeah, this ball right now, overall, one of the best balls for sure that I've thrown on the house shot. I mean, it looks pretty unbeatable right now for the house shot. It just hard and straight. I can move in, slow it down. It still makes that corner. It's very sharp, but not uncontrollably sharp, which is what I'm looking for. You want something that's gonna go through the pins, but also something that you can hit the pocket with every time. This ball is that. 14 for 17? Okay, maybe it's not really quite ready for the move in. Obviously another really good shot there, but it's not making the corner as hard as I hope it would like, or as I was hoping for, just because now I'm much deeper in than when I started. I'm just gonna try and throw it even slower from there, and hopefully it'll make it a little bit more of a corner with a little slower ball speed. Very good shot. For my last shot, I'm gonna go way back left, fire it and see if we can strike on the last one. Go 16 for 20, our highest yet. Probably our best house shot ball that we've reviewed. Am I gonna be able to use it on Sports Shot? I don't know. Punch down in the comments below, type up something and see. Ask me if you want me to review this ball on a Sports Shot as well, because on the house shot, this ball is an absolute monster. On the Sports Shot, I don't quite know yet. Usually, the super weak balls for me don't come into play because I'm lefty, but for the right-handers, they for sure might. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see me on a Sports Shot with this thing. And for right now, I'm gonna go 5 left and close this one out. Money. 16 for 20 with the brand new Bubblegum Vibe. That ball is by far my best house shot ball that I've thrown. Where it fits in my bag? Probably the bottom. Not quite at the Rhino level or the Raw Hammer level, but just above that, where it's a little more corner down lane, a little more overall hook, a little more dynamic shape. And with that, when you get on some of those patterns that are hooking, or you get to a house that's hooking a lot, you can crack this puppy out, move inside, and know that it's always gonna make the corner down lane. So thank you guys for watching my Bubblegum Vibe video. And until the next one, we'll catch you. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.